Konnichiwa mga ka-Diyosa, this is Doc Tomo. Alam niyo, dalawang brands lang yung favorite kong i-recommend sa inyo na may integridad at kaya kong itaya ang reputasyon ko dahil hindi ako mapapahiya. Unang-una, when it comes to organic and advanced formulation, I proudly recommend Butyral Organics. Hindi talaga ako napahiya dyan. Kahit ilang taon na kami sa mga pasyente ko in clinics and online consultation, hindi talaga ako napahiya dyan. And another brand that is my favorite also that I usually use in our clinic is a Mizuruto. It's an advanced Japanese or natural high dosage clinical grade brand, si Mizuruto. So, ito yun. Ito yung brand ni Mizuruto. This is one of the products ni Mizuruto is the 6% tranexamic. Marami siyang mga serums na ilalagay ko na lang dyan sa yellow basket. Pero isa to sa bestseller natin when it comes to treating the melasma, when it comes to fading dark spot discoloration, hyperpigmentations, lalo mga deep melasma talaga. Ito talaga, wala kayong makikitang mataas na dosage na ganito kataas in Philippine market kahit halugugin yung buong Pilipinas. Ito lang ang bukod tanging 6% na hindi irritating at hindi mahapde sa skin. So this is best partner with Pomegranate Skin Lightening Smoothie from Butyral Organics brand. Ito naman from Mizuruto. So kung gagamitin mo siya, spot treatment mo siya on your melasma area and then after 10 minutes, si pomegranate naman sa buong face. And then every night nyo gagamitin. You can start with this too kung gusto mo simple lang or kaya nagtitipid ka at focus on melasma treatment. Start with this too and then every night. Sa umaga, Exponential Glow Vitamin C in the morning. Napakagandang sa gamitin to sa umaga. I'm telling you, it really helps to improve your melasma, dark spot discoloration, and it brightens your skin and improves your pores, prevents premature aging kasi may triple vitamin C technology siya. Kaya favorite ko siyang gamitin at i-recommend sa inyo before the sunscreen. This too is the only sunscreen na highly recommended ko with integrity na hindi ako mapapahiya na compatible dito at compatible din dito. So, eto naman is kung gusto mo tinted, Kakadu Glow Tinted Sun Protect or kung gusto mo physical or mineral, Sika Spirulina Q10. So, thank you so much for that comment and if you have any other questions, please message us for free online skincare consultation. Domo arigato!